This scenic coastal re- route, route is located at Kate Beach in Dubai, UAE. The area features a dedicated, dedicated asphalt sizzling and walking track line and with palm trees. In is background the iconic Burj Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab Hotel is visible along the shoreline. Alright. So this image shows a scenic view likely located in Rome, Italy, based on typical residential ar- architecture and equally put equal equical eucalyptus trees. The area features lush green foliage and distant hills. Under a clear blue sky, residential buildings such as the one centrally located are interspersed within the greenery. The greenery below the tree line, parked 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 cars are visible, indicating a residential or suburban setting. This image appears to show an American sycamore tree known as plant, Platanus occidentalis. A key, a key feature is is the exfoliating bark which peels away to reveal lighter inner layers. The tree is deciduous and typically grows very large, often found near water sour- sources. Sources. This sense, this scent show, shows a dramatic sunset or sunrise with vibrant orange and blue tones reflected in the clouds. A silhouette of the church tower with crosses is visible on the left, set against the bright light. The sky transitions from a deep blue to a warm glowing orange near the horizon. Thank you.